And so I'd like to introduce today also, we've just got these into stock. This is the new Wetland Snorkel and Centipede setup, just been delivered to Australia, so we have them now in stock here. But they replace the round. If you've used them before, we used to have round snorkel, round Centipede. And they were great, but they were sometimes a little bit difficult to work with because you had to backfill in certain ways, and this is just a vast improvement for a number of reasons. And we have a square design, and it's the same dimensions as our AquaBlox as well. So we can cut a square trench into the floor and lay these into it. We have our vaults with extensions, as we did before, modular, and a really easy clip-on lid. You can get your pump down in there for back flushing, really integral. And really important in any wetland system design. If you're not incorporating some kind of system to get to the bottom, to the deepest point of your wetland, then you're never able to clean it properly. It's not good enough to do a bit of pipe with some holes in it and just jet water into it, because eventually it will block. So you need this system to be able to back flush any material out of the wetland, back down into your centipede, into your snorkel, and be able to extract that out with a proper back flush. And we have a few bit of information online about that as well if you want to check it out. What I really like about this too is the end cap. So we have an end cap for our snorkel. These are modular, so you can extend them out as many as you need for specific wetlands. And the end cap, now we can actually drill straight down through the top. So when we put our pipe in, we can drop the pipe down halfway into it and come straight up through our wetland. Before, we were always coming through the front. You still can do that here in applications if you need to. And then we'd have to drag it around and bring it up that way. It was always a bit cumbersome, a bit awkward. So that makes it a lot easier just to push that water straight down into the end cap, because we inject the water into that centipede and then it flows up through our AquaBlox. And that's now paired with our new system as well. So you can go ahead with this and you could use your AquaBlox as usual. They would go on top, and then we'd have our 3 layers of stone. You know, there's about 450 mil, 500 mil of stone in different layers. So larger, medium, 20 mil on top. You'd extend this up to get to the height, and this will be left out of the water a little bit for access. Our new system now, we have the FilterBlox, they're called. So they reduce the amount of pebble you need. So with these, we would lay our AquaBlox on the surface as per normal. We then go ahead and add our filter block to it. Same calculations as our regular wetlands, but I think it's a less 5% area, so you reduce it 5%. Water flows up, we put a layer of stone on top of this, and then you can back flush through. Now this is the filter media. This is like a tubular bioball, I suppose. It's just a massive surface area for biofilm, which is what does the majority of your filtration in a system. So this is bacteria and other organisms developing colonies on these, which the water then passes by, and they filter out the nutrients and materials, loads out of it. So this is we've been waiting for this for a long time. Really easy to clean, really efficient. It's going to really change the game a little bit in our wetland design as well, in footprint and in use and in our maintenance as well. Really excited about these, so check them out online as well. If you're looking at doing a project, we are here to actually help you design them. We can actually spec a project, we can actually pull all the pieces together that you need to have a successful water feature with the water quality that you'd expect from what you've seen. I suppose what we can accomplish, you can accomplish this with, and we're here to help you with that. Upflow wetland system, new FilterBlox system. There's a QR code on here. You can flash the QR code and it'll go through how you install them and why you install them, flow rates, applications and all of that.